started. Is that's when it works just fine and we are live. Okay, that's great. Let's be. Still be getting started. I'm not gonna call. Nothing special. However, how is it going, my champ? Got to turn on the chat. Okay, it is there. I see it. We've had it through. Hmm. What are we gonna do next? Well, I'm gonna use the statistical oscillator. And a pair of orange bands, and I think that today I'm gonna explain anything. I just wanted to talk to you about some stuff. Hi, Lenny. How is it going? I vividly remember your nickname. I saw you somewhere. You might be my old viewer. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm doing great. Just came back and decided to start a stream. Just came back from a nap. Basically, I'm fine, and I think we're gonna do great things today. I cannot specify what exactly I mean by saying the great things, but I guess we'll just try to get it through. Okay, that is a strange dog. That's one of them, one of them. But that one is a draw. Bless me. Okay, and now I'm prepped. For sure. I got to sneeze a few times. Let me see. So basically, that is a plateau yet again. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna relax and sit back because we're trading the crude oil OTC, one of the stablest currencies in the packet option. And that means that we're Gucci. Plus 188. Let's keep it moving on. That is a big uptrend. Mm, and I don't think we're gonna get something from that uptrend. So that is why I'm gonna find the highest point and just start short from it. I'm gonna give us some audience. High roads. How is it going? I'm gonna give us some audience. And after that, the big boy trading is gonna come into play. But until then, I'll do the small trades. Let me see about it. So, okay. And what do I have now? The chat is barely full. We've got friend likes. That is nice. I'm gonna stop watching the metrics and I'm gonna focus on the trading. So let's re-enter the trend. What do I see? If it is a self-repeating pattern, it's gonna repeat itself. So basically, we're gonna make a call out there. Not now, but somewhere in the future. I should have made a call out there. That might be a mistake. Yep. Yeah, but it is. I should have made the call out there. But I decided to say fuck it. Basically, cost later has fallen down to the level of 20. And what do we see here? What do we see there? Nothing special, nothing new. Yep. That is a self-repeating pattern. I just saw them visually. I've seen so many of those, and that means that we're gonna use that to our advantage. We're just gonna abuse that. Let me find another point. Okay, here it goes. It seems to be a big uptrend. I don't have any profits yet, Jackie. Just out of a stream. I'm not really feeling great today, but I've decided to turn on the stream. Because I'm afraid you'll be missing me. Ah, Brock Bay, how is it going? Over the course of a typical week? Oh, well, it depends on the week. But as for this one, basically I've lost more than I earned because of the politics of an orange man. But Trump got me wrecked on the Bitcoin, and I've lost most of my money because I owed everything in the cryptocurrencies. Now I don't really have anything. Yeah, it is all good. It is going good, but Brock Bay just came back from a party. My hair hurts a bit, but it is okay. That is manageable. I decided to not to go clubbing further because it is actually bad for the health. Mm, so just a party on someone else's house is enough for me. Obviously, because later has fallen down to the 50s, and I don't really have any profits, but I have a great P&L. So basically, I've spent most of my money to pay for that. Because I used to be a gambler. I used to lose my money on on online casinos. And when the orange man said that we're gonna need the taxes for the Chinese things, and the cryptocurrencies have decided to fall. Probably, yeah. I should do that there, but this case later is stuck. 11.5 points. I wanna see it. I wanna have the highest one. Mm-hmm. It is almost no, okay. There's gonna be a bounce in 3, 2, 1. Or is there gonna be a bounce? That is the packet option. Packet option web. So a bounce didn't happen. And I guess I've made the right decision. I've expected a bounce, and that is why I decided to make a shot on the second candle. So I have more time for the bounce to go through, and it will start falling back again. Here goes a small reversal. Okay, and right after that, he decided to turn into the plateau. It seems. What does it look like, Chad? Perhaps I should just shut out, be following the trend. We don't really have much options out there. And I didn't go through. Who could have known that? However, we'll be moving on. We'll get through that. Two girls gonna go out there. Just follow the trend. I'll wait until people in chat And when subscribers decide to come in, maybe I've got to post an announcement on my Telegram channel because that is why it exists. But I'm over sure that people are gonna come in and we're gonna do the big boy trading. I'm gonna start explaining my trades really deep. Maybe we'll talk about something. Maybe we'll do else. I've also voice of focus. Is in going my champ. Is it all good? Are you feeling great? Mm-hmm. That is a plateau. I don't really want to do anything. If you got any questions regarding the training, regarding the platform, maybe something else, feel free to ask in the chat. Hi, Smartfix. How is it going? Thank you for that, my guys. Really appreciate that. Gonna make it goals on a bounce. The bounce is coming in 3, 2, 1. Here it is. That is a green candle. Here goes another one. We have 3 green candles in total. Oh, we almost had. So it was green, but it decided to turn red. We almost had it. We almost free and had it. So, what are you up to, chat? What are you gonna do tonight? Maybe this evening? Maybe this morning, depends on the time zone. Yeah, I think I am. Just decided to turn on the stream and start trading. I'm waiting until my subscribers come into the chat to say hi to me. Maybe they'll do the trades, maybe they'll do the challenges, maybe they'll do someone else's donation, like we did with Eduardo yesterday and with Kendall. Mm-hmm. It is a plateau, I'm not gonna do anything yet. Let me find a place. Thank you for that, guys. Thanks a lot. I do not know who now is Family Arts, but thank you. Oh, you're here for the first time. Well, great. You're free to ask any questions. We can talk about whatever you want to talk. Because basically, I turn on my streams. Watching from Nigeria. Oh, okay. Basically, you can ask any questions you want. We can talk about anything you decide to talk to. Because I'm turning on the streams, not for my profit, but I'm talking to strangers. I'm making enough from a paid option to support my life. But it feels way too repetitive to work as a trader on a paid option. So the streams just save me. I can listen to the music, talk to the people, explain something, help with something. Aaron, I don't know, shorty. Plus 188. Let's keep it moving. I've already got 2 grand in the balance. Hi, Miguel. How is it going? Feeling all right? I don't really know. I don't really know. In which way we'll go. It depends on the destiny and on the luck. I've tried it as well. I just don't know. I don't have it out to begin with, so I stopped. You can try it out with demo account, for example. You can just train yourself every day. Use the different strategies. Just try it out on the demo account, and it will be okay. Mm-hmm. You don't never have to deposit your real money. Nobody forces you to. Just give enough capital one time, and you can make a deposit. This is bad. Because the packet option is goated for having a demo account, which allows you to trade with fake money. Yeah, it works that way, but still you get the risks. Mm, mhm. Yesterday, kind of in Nevada took almost $5,000 away. 100%. How's it going? I hope you're doing great. $350. And you've got read the rules first. Because you've got to specify your address in which the money will be sent back. And you also got to know that we've got risks. 350. Hi, Paul. How's it going? So we've got the chat. There will be a ton of people to talk to. Basically, that is just something that happens on the stream sometimes. People send the money, I send them back. Triple, double, quadrupled. I don't take anything for myself. Well, rarely. Maybe sometimes I'll leave myself $100, something around that, because I'm not feeling like doing it for free. But if we get it to $5,000, well, okay, I'll give it away. But if we get something like $5,000 and 700, okay, I'll keep 700 for myself. Want to participate by still waiting for your paycheck. Are you in for some donation? No, I don't need your donations. Hi, Tamimi. That is just something, some way in which I can create the content for the stream. I don't sell any courses. I don't sell any coachings. I don't sell any private groups. I don't beg for money. You can read them in the description. Just open up the donation page. The first link in the description. Mm-hmm. Oh, let me see about those. 376. Okay, that is great. We're getting a good panel today. If you guys want to talk about something. Yep. 5 is, well, 5 is the maximum you can ask for 100, but I wouldn't be able to do that because I increase the amount every time. So I'm not spending my time making a 350 into 5k for 2 hours. It is the game of chance. Yeah, but it is a percent that is odd because that is risky. That is why I'm covering the first attempt. And if I lose it on the first attempt, it is on me. You can just basically ask for 2 attempts. The first one is covered, and I cannot lose it on the second one. It's not realistic. I've got to go to PNL, and it's pretty much safe. Donations are voluntary. Participation, I mean, you don't have to do. You don't have to do that. Only if you wish to get some extra cash. Yeah. Everman says the truth. Plus 188. Let's keep it moving that way. I don't see it. Thank you, also Falcos. I don't really see it. There's gonna be a bounce back. Okay, so it seems that we're on a big uptrend. Oh yeah, from Egypt, bro, or from Saudi Arabia, because I can't read. I can't read that language. That looks like Arabian. Maybe that's Egyptian, but they have to use the same language, as I remember correctly. Yeah, but it's Arabic. Let me see about it. Uh... Oh, you're saying hi? Okay. YouTube just gonna translate it. So, hi to you, Arabian guy. It has to be something. Salam alaikum and wa alaikum assalam. And wa alaikum assalam is a response. Plus 188. Name is way. Oh, is it hi, hello? Okay. Mm. Nothing happens. Nothing really happens. Today is the wrong day. And we've got almost 6 likes. So, wow, thank you guys. Thanks a lot. There's gonna be a buyback. Okay, fell down a little bit. Oh, it is almost there. It is almost there. Plus 188. Here goes. We got almost 10 grand on a balance. And after what happens, today is the boring day. The Bollinger Bands don't really show me anything. The second oscillator is stuck on the level 100. It's gonna be an uptrend for some time. Let me feature some. Let's raise the stakes. Let it be right way. Here goes yet another one. The second oscillator falls down to the level of 40. Somewhere around that. You guys want to hear some funny stories? Maybe. Maybe I want to talk about something because I'm feeling a bit bored. Hmm. Let's think about some funny story. What can I tell you? So I'm not getting banned on YouTube. It must be censored in some way, but it must be funny. So what would be that? Hmm. Type English so we can all read, yeah. But I don't think he's there. By the way, hi Lavona. You are a constant participant of my streams. Welcome back to yet another train stream. And to those who don't know, I stream every day on the same platform, on the same YouTube channel, within the same time. And I basically trade the same things. But I've decided so I'm not trading the brand OTC. I'm gonna be trading with VTI crude. Oh, you're still there, okay. Mm. Can also bounce. Plus 752. Nothing happens. Nothing really happens. I'm tired of that. I wanna have some storms out there. I wanna be troubled. I wanna have a challenge. That is just an uptrend. I just press the call button and I get the money. That is too simple. Way too simple for me. So I gotta start speaking about something because I'm feeling bored. And well, maybe I should tell you about. What should I tell you about? What do you guys want to have as a car? Because in recent days, I've got a lot for Mazdas, for the Japanese cars, the sports ones. I want to have something fast, something beautiful, and not so old. Maybe I should check out the Mazdas. But I don't think that I'll be buying myself one, because I don't know how will I legalize my money. Maybe I'll buy it in cash, I guess. But we gotta be dealing with the documents. Some of affordable with cheap spare parts. Yeah, it works out. That is good as well. But I want my car to be not so. I want it to be comfy and I want it to be not so useful but luxurious. Not a Ferrari type, but as an item of luxury. It must be beautiful. It must be a part of interior, a part of style. Because I'm not really a car guy, but I've got to have one. Hi, bro. How is it going on, Kodas? We are getting more and more and more people in the chat, and I'm glad I'm having someone out. Hmm, 4 and 4. That's good, but I want it to be slimmer. I want it to be small. I want to have 2 seats maybe for me and a girl, and I don't need anything else. I'm feeling fine. I just came back from a party at my friend's house. I drank a little bit, but I guess it's fine. It's okay. I'm not gonna do any reckless moves. I'm just feeling a little bit tired, but I've decided to put on a stream anyways. I don't know, works just fine. We've got almost 3.5k on a balance. I'm not really planning to do anything today, but I guess that is okay. And I don't expect a lot of people to come in today, because today is a Sunday. And most of the people are just chilling out. Let me see it about it. No, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. It's gonna be okay, I guess, because Quackrodo is basically super calm today. And nothing really happens. And I'm even feeling tired because of that. Thank you for the hearts, my guys. Oh my god. Someone is spamming the hearts all the time and is giving me likes. I'm not gonna go to the moon yet, but I guess to the mountain at least. I'm way too far away from the moon. And I'm not gonna go there in time. Thank you, Eva. Thank thank you, Eva. You're the king on the stream. You've got the #1 crown. You also sent a lot of messages. And yeah, if you like the stream, probably you should give me a like. Thank you, Tamimi. I really appreciate that. Mm, yeah, thank you a lot, guys. Thank you. I'm not gonna be annoying about the likes today, but if we get enough likes, I'll probably make a giveaway in the future. Just subscribe to our Telegram channel. And don't forget about what I said on the previous stream. I'm gonna host a giveaway, but I just got I gotta know how many people will join the link, the Telegram channel, so I know how many prizes I should get. Maybe I'll just make a cash giveaway. Maybe I'll just send some Telegram starts, maybe else, maybe some cryptocurrency. just don't really know. Don't really know yet. I'm not gonna be giving away something luxurious or really expensive. Because I don't feel like it. Like we don't have enough people to do that. There is only 100 subscribers on my Telegram channel. Crazy for sure. Yeah, I wanna. Let's get some more likes, and we're getting some more likes. We've got. Yeah, I am. I am live. We got no likes. Oh my god. Erwin, Jerome, Enriquez. Paul, if you prefer to join Discord or Telegram. Okay, probably I should create a Discord server then. I'll think about that. Let me send you a message so I'm not forgetting about that. Let me see about it. So it's just an unfortunate for level 40, and we've got plenty of people at 35 watching. Wow. So I'm ready to talk to you, my guys. We will be ending the warm up really soon, and we're gonna start the big boy training. So for the giveaway, I've got to wait several days until more people comes into the Telegram group. Maybe I'll create a Discord channel, and I'll decide what I think about giving away. I'll create maybe a poll to participate, maybe someone else, so you can participate in the giveaway. I'll host it from a random org. What do you guys want to be given away? Maybe you'll just prefer the cash. Maybe you want the crypto coin. Maybe something else. Maybe you want some bonus codes for something. Maybe you want to have a Steam cash cards. Maybe you want to have Amazon cash cards. Whatever. But I think I'm just gonna be giving away crypto. And some kind of USDTs, as for example. So gotta be subscribed to the Telegram channel to participate. If you got any questions regarding the trading, regarding lifestyle, regarding anything else, you can ask me in the chat. We will talk about that. Cash in any forms, either for paper, Wise, or crypto. Okay, it seems fine. So yeah, but probably I should do it in the cash. Because shipping something to someone is always better than ass, and just giving away cash is always better. And I think I might create a Discord channel, but I don't think that I will do it yet. Maybe when my channel will grow up to the 5,000 subscribers in the Telegram, it will be easy to migrate. Well, I'll need to think about that. I really have to think about that. Here goes the call. So you gave me a beautiful idea. But I've gotta know who the fuck is gonna watch over the channel because I'm ready. I'm quite a bit busy with my trading channels and other stuff. Keno, oh my god, Keno, you're still there. You're still there. You were the happy victor of the last stream. You've sent me, as I remember, $100, and you get away. Remember? Do you remember the amount? Can you tell it? Yeah, yeah. Welcome back. I thought I think I sent you something wrong for $1,000. Thank you too. Thank you too for your participation. It is so good to be trusted. And thank you for the trust. And go to another shot. Seconds later, stuck on a levels of 20. There's gonna be a bounce in 3, 2, 1. But that wouldn't be enough. That run is already slowing down. Can I see the bounce? Yep, here goes the bounce. Just as I told you. Is that the margin or cash count? That is the cash count. I just use the USDs to trade to make all the stuff happening on the screen. Because there is a YouTube delay. Basically, my internet provider is a piece of shit, and he cannot make any better connection. So the YouTube just needs to buffer the video until it's shipped to you, and sometimes the delay is somewhere around maybe 5 seconds, but in my case, it's something around 10 or 15. Basically, I'm talking to the man in the past. But you can just copy my strategy and try it out on the demo account. You can calculate the delay by the timer on the top of the screen. I don't know the amount of the delay we've got out there. Hi, Navin Pereira. How is it going? How are you feeling today? It's great. Cause as for me, yep, it's decent. I would say it's good. We got a ton of money. The time frame for the canals is 5 seconds, and the time for the deals is 15. I'm glad you asked. We are using the Bollinger Bands and the stochastic oscillator 1433. $300 over. All right. All righty. There's gonna be a bounce really soon, and next one, we're gonna follow a price in 3, 2, 1. Here goes the fall. Here it almost goes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's not gonna happen. We didn't get the confirmations that it's an uptrend. We haven't reached to a peak yet. So we got the confirmation from a Bollinger Bands. Yeah, Pongolala didn't make shorts out there. And I waited for the confirmations. Plus 1 grand to keep moving. That is an OTC. And that is a bucket option platform. We've got some different prices. So basically, the Bollinger Bands got me the confirmation of an uptrend. Okay, Kano. See ya. Or you're not going anywhere. So basically, if the Bollinger Bands moves up as well with a stochastic oscillator, and I see a lot of green candles, and the big ones, it means that we're on an uptrend now. As for now, the Bollinger Bands doesn't give me the confirmation of a downtrend because it moves just in one direction. It doesn't move up or down. It moves right. So it just moves. And the stochastic oscillator is stuck within the same price, within the same level, so it's not gonna go anywhere. We can bet it's on a short because it might have a tendencies towards the downtrend as the stochastic oscillator has fallen down to the levels of 20, but it might have bounced, so that was risky. Plus 564. Oh, we're having it. Oh, we are having it. And my voice is really cracking. Mm. 76, 835. It's gonna be bounce in 3, 2, 1. I bet. Here it goes. Mm, not yet. Okay, so that is a self-repeating pattern. Mm, and still the bounce is almost there. That is a risky one. And you didn't get any confirmations, so that might be a loss. Yeah, but as a loss. I didn't get any confirmations, and still I made it trade. But because the oscillator was stuck in one place, the Bollinger Bands didn't move at all. And still I made it trade. That one is on me. Yep. Didn't like them. I'm scalping most of the time. Let me relax in my chair and make some goody trades. What's gonna happen next? I don't know if I have any stories to tell you. Okay, let's those go through. Let me warm up to the camera. So you're not missing me out. No, I'll continue to relax. I guess that's better for me. Oh, I'll move the camera. Okay, here it goes. So now you can see my face, and you can see the chats. And I'll be just lying in my armchair. Because nothing happens. The VTI is really come today. I don't have to take my gaming stance. I have to do anything. I will just make some calls, occasional do something else. And I've got some kind of a problem when I want to tell you something. My mind is just blank. It's full of trading patterns and nothing more to that. But when I walk around before with my friends, my head is full of stories with jokes. But I want to tell you the stories here. So what do I do with that? By the way, guys, did you research the harm of video games onto the health? That is a real thing, by the way. When I used to be a kid, my mom has always told me that playing video is bad for me in many ways. I don't believe you. I thought that she's just way too old to understand that. And turns out, sitting in front of a screen for 8 hours a day, why we have not the same signal cast, there is a YouTube delay. And the YouTube delay comes from having an internet provider which sucks dick. And that is why I don't have the same chart. Just use the same strategy and you'll be Gucci. That one should go through as well. So basically, sitting in front of your PC and playing video for 8 hours straight isn't that good for your health. You'll miss out on socializing, you'll miss out on parties. You sent a donation, didn't see that one. Mm, Let me check it out. So sometimes it might just not go through, it might not announce. It didn't come yet. Let me see about it. Can you send me a screenshot of your donation, please? I've got private messages on Telegram. You can find my nickname in the Telegram group. My nickname is James Trader Dan. Send me the screenshot just in case. So if it's lost, it's not gonna be missing. I'll find it. Let me see about it. So I don't see it yet. Okay, we got the screenshot. Okay, I see it. So we're gonna do. I'm gonna start trading with it really soon. Let me just wait for some time. I wanna trade for myself. I've already got 6 grand and it feels nice. There's some money in my pocket. I won't forget about you. Don't be afraid. So coming back to the so-called stories, to just yapping around. Playing for 8 hours a day isn't good for your health and isn't good for your socializing either. I've missed out on girls, on the parties, on the hookups, on the online drugs, on many things that life can offer, just for the sake of playing World of Warcraft. And even now, I play it sometimes, but not as much as I used to. I rarely play games these days, even though I've got myself a $3,000 PC. I've got a 5080, by the way. just wanna, just wanted to flex it out. Okay, well, I decided not to buy 5090 because there is no point. But yeah, it's cool, but I don't even have a 4K screen. I'm using 2K, 180 Hz. Should I buy myself an OLED screen? Just asking you, chat, because you might know. I've heard that it's got pretty um, upsetting worn out on the screen after I use it too much because it's way too bright. And the burnouts, I don't think that they appear on the IPS screens, so my brightness and it on max all the time. And as for now, we've got 12 likes. Wow, yeah, hell yeah. Great to see you, my guys, giving me and way your attention. I'll try to not to disappoint you, but as for now, it's pretty much boring because nothing happens. I'm not even telling you anything. And we'll be using donations really soon, so don't miss out. I see it right there. I see it right there. Rounded on the shorts. Okay, we've got almost a grand out of that. That seems nice, but it would be somewhere around 100 in profits. Babonja Bands does its thing. So let's take it to level 20. There's going to be bounce in 3, 2, 1. Is it going out there? It seems to be a big downtrend. Okay, the bounce is never going to happen. That is a big one downtrend, so the bounce is never going to happen, and I am a shitty oracle. 564. 564. Two calls out there. That is enough. And now it's gonna start falling. Yeah, but there's enough growth for now. Mm-hmm. Should I make a call out there? And by the way, the chat went silent for some reason. Okay, I guess that is it for you, chat. You're cooked. That was the peak point. I couldn't do anything. I didn't even know that would be a peak point. I'll try to make it short from a small bounce. Mine is early for 15 seconds. I don't already know if you win or not. Enriquez, I've already told you maybe 3 times. That is because I've got the delay. The YouTube has got the delay which cannot be reduced. I've got somewhere within around 15 seconds, as you can see it, because my internet provider sucks dick, and that is it. I cannot really do anything about it. I cannot stream on the YouTube about the delay. But it's not because I don't want you to capture me, but because there is a delay, and my data provider needs to bufferize the whole video after before sending it to YouTube. Thank you, Uncle Dad. You're still there, my boy, my goat. Mm-hmm. We've almost made it to the 7,000. The double call goes out there. Wow, these two are big for sure. Yeah, they are. 3 in a row. Okay, 4 in a row. That is a big uptrend. I see it now. There will be a reversal. It seems to be a peak point. Yep, and after that, it's gonna fall down for some time. Now there's gonna be yet another small reversal. Will it bounce back? Yep, it should bounce back. I wanna see green candle. Ah, that is some type of shit. Two of those will go through. And what should I do about it? Plus 1 grand. Let's keep it analyzing. Perhaps I should short out there, I guess. Let me see about it. Let me see about it. There should be enough place for the short, for the controllable fall. Yep, it's right. Alright, it fell down a little bit. Hmm. Thank you, Uncle Dad. Thanks a lot. We're not having a ton of people today in the chat, but we've got you, and that is the best thing we can have. Now I'm ready to trade. Let's blast some music. Yeah, I do. Big Muff Rob. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Here goes the shot. What are your guys' opinions on alcohol? Do you drink it often? Because sometimes I feel like I drink it way too often. I drink it maybe twice in a week, thrice in a week. Oh, that is a great question. I don't remember when I started getting money from that. Hmm. Because in the first periods, I didn't even get enough money to pay for my food. So, yep, I was profitable, but it didn't give me enough money. Well, I guess a month, maybe or two, but I didn't get enough. And when I started training with the bigger amounts, I started to fail. I started to panic most of the time, and I just lost it because I didn't control my emotions. Mhm. So being profitable is cool, but you've also got to know that having profits in a big margin is always better. 2000 through, wow, that is a surprise. That is a surprise for sure. For example, there I didn't lose my mind over a lost call, even two of them. Two calls out there, plus 1 grand. Let's keep it moving. Nothing really happens. The chat is silent today. I don't want to hear any stories because my head hurts. So I guess we're just trade in silence. And I didn't forget about you, Rose. Your donation came through. I see that. Thanks a lot for the trust. We'll get to the boosts really soon. Plus 564. Let's keep it that way. It's gonna bounce from a ceiling. And oh, here it goes. Here it is. Yep, you've got the address, and you okay? 5,100. Okay, you didn't give me the amount of tries, but you gave me an amount. So I guess we'll trade until it becomes 105,000. 1,100. And I'm missing up awards. Yeah, pretty much that. But I think we'll get it through. I don't even worry about that. 2 kills out there. Divine Eyes. What do you want? 15 Pro Max. The 17 came out just recently. Usman Tukur Baba. What is going on? How are you doing, champ? So I guess the guy doesn't know about the existence of iPhone 17 yet. Okay, that is strange, but okay, it went through. I can see it. The widget is quite a bit broken yet again. So the nations sometimes they do appear, sometimes they don't. I don't know how to fix that, but I guess it's okay. I'll make a call out there. And in some time we'll start boosting the donations. I'll set up roads, then here goes the Divine Asa. 5 attempts. Okay. I'm glad you specified. We're stuck on level of 20. Oh man, level 80. Just used to just used to say that because basically we are stuck in a downtrend most of the time, but that is a big uptrend, a really big freaking uptrend, and that seems to be its peak point. I think it's gonna fall down. Out of there. Yeah, but it is gonna fall down for sure. I'm seeing it there. I'm seeing it here. Yet another shorty. By the way, guys, if you got any questions regarding the trading or maybe regarding with something else, my personality, You can just ask me in the chat. 564, and another 564, 8k in balance. I've got room for the losses, so we can allow ourselves some risky moves. The stochastic oscillator is 1433, and the Bollinger Bands are on the default settings. The only thing that might be different is the stochastic oscillator. It's 1433. Now you can see it. Got the profits. But what's about now? What do we have here? Perhaps I should make a call here. Yeah, Ellen Scott. You believe in your victory? Okay. 5 victories. Alright. You have no doubt about your victory. Well. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. I'll add you to the list. Plus 564. Mm, just how it turned out there. And I've run it about since the chat is silent and I don't really want to tell any stories because I don't really have ones. I'm quite a bit of tired of explanations and I've got to be saving up energy to start boosting their donations really soon. To goes out there, a big freaking candle. Oh yeah, Austin Ward. So they decided to just shower the money on me today. Oh yeah, that would be a ton of work. That would be a ton of work for sure. For donations to be boosted uniform wins. Okay, that's classic. And you sent me your TSC. Oh, that is great. Great for you. I'm gonna send it back in no time. So the first one is Rhodes. The next one is the guy whose name I've forgotten by now. The third one is Eden Scott. And the fourth one is Austin Ward. Why should I do that in that current situation? Well, I'm not sure about it. But uh, to goes out there might be it. It might be something. Mm. There's gonna be a bounce. Okay, so just solve the trend. I will continue making shorts. And the battle just happened. Although there'll be, is it a false breakthrough by any chance? I don't really know. Can I tell you? Yeah, that is a plateau. I'm glad I didn't make a move. We're gonna strike the level of 80. And the thing that is gonna happen next, that we are gonna reach the ceiling. We're gonna bounce from it. We're gonna come back to the original price, and the statistical oscillator is gonna be stuck on level 40. It is always that way. So I act accordingly. I will just make two shots out there, and let me see. Let me just see. Okay. Okay, got those out there. Here it goes. Mm-hmm. I'll wait a bit more. Just a little bit more. Two goes. By the way, guys, are you still there by any chance? Yeah, we got 30 watching now, but the chat went silent. Yeah, we are doing it. We are doing it, Rhodes. I did not forget about you and your donation. We are doing it. It is so good. And we'll be starting really soon. I just finished my warm up. Let me gather my thoughts, and that would be okay. So the next step of operation, NJ. What is NJ? Oh, Lenny, you're there. You're still there. 5 times. All right, New Jersey. All right. I don't know that. I thought that you might be from Nigeria or something else. Different people call it differently. A nice shot here out there. It goes through 564. Mm-hmm. Now I'm serious. Now I'm serious about it. There you go from. And that is a big one. That is a big one on me. I gotta stop losing. Yes, I'm not gonna give away any donations that way. And I think I might be way too serious about it. If you guys want to talk about anything, I'm an open book to you. You can ask any questions, whatever you want. We can talk about whatever you want to talk. Just throw a topic at me. Because I'm sitting silent about the reason I'm analyzing this shit almost all the time. And I don't even want to announce it because there's barely anybody in the chat who's interested in trading. That is why I remain silent most of the time. I like Root because it's controllable. It isn't as volatile as the brand oil, for example. I just like it. I got to use it. The crew is decent, you can try it out. You know, pair of Bollinger Bands and the Second Oscillator. You can also try out the MACD combo with the Alligator. MACD 12, 26, 9, and I forget the numbers on Alligator, but it's default as I remember. Thank you, Lenny. We're gonna start boosting the donations really soon. Like, for sure soon. Just let me see about it. So we're gonna go through. What do you mean by dicks? That is the packet option, a binary option. No, it's pretty much obviously a binary option. Here. Oh my god. Here it almost goes. Time. So the time is 5 seconds for the candles and 15 seconds for the trade. We're gonna reach a big point and we're gonna short from it. Round red on the shorty out there. That is the big point. At least it seems to be one. Now here goes the fall. A controllable fall. Here we have it. Plus 1 grand. Not really 1 grand, but 500, something around that. Thank you, Uncle Dad. I really appreciate your prayers for me. And we're gonna start the presentation soon. Didn't forget about you guys. I just want to finish trading for myself. Because I am myself and personally the first guy on the stream. And the most important one. Thank you, Kennel. Just position around the BB. If it's under, you go short, then above on. No, I use the second oscillator as well. You just cannot see it. So I use the Bollinger Bands to confirmation as a confirmation tool for the stochastic oscillator, but I pay most of my attention to the stochastic oscillator. I've got stochastic oscillator 1433 and the Bollinger Bands are default. So basically, the Bollinger Bands is the confirmation of the Bollinger Bands moves along with the stochastic oscillator. That is some kind of a trend for sure. For example, now it's moved up with the stochastic oscillator. That is an uptrend. I saw the beautiful candles, the beautiful big green candles, and that served me as. Let me see about it. Gotta make a move. Not yet. And that served me as a sign of a call. Sometimes I just know what happens visually. I know what's gonna happen. Thank you to Rodis. I explained it on every stream, but new people keep coming in. Basically, I would just talk hours and hours and hours straight if people talk to me in the chat back. We would just buffoon around about something. We would just giggle from the jokes. But today is the Sunday, and the guys decided to chill out, and that is okay. They can spend the time they want, the way they want. I cannot blame them. I can only blame myself for being uninteresting, for being not as good as you want me to be. I'll try to improve. And for example, now here goes the fall. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. There goes the fall. And here goes the fall. Okay, should have showed it. I could have made a ton of cash from that one. That was clear as day. Didn't go through. Well, we didn't get the confirmation, so I lost it. That one is on me for sure. And by the way, we've got the list. Can you see it on the stream? Yep, you can. So we've got it. And we're gonna be starting really soon. We got 5 donations to boost today. 300 on a call. That was just the lowest point. The lowest point I could get. Nothing happens. Never happens. I cannot even explain anything if nothing happens. It rises in the price. Perhaps that is the time. Not yet. That might be it. I'm not gonna wait further. I'm gonna wait until it passes away. Plus 1 grand to keep some pocket change in hand. Yeah, you're the first one. Rhodes, you are the first one, and I'm gonna boost your donation. Just give me time. I've got to finish training for myself, and right after that, we're gonna boost your donations. It's not gonna take long, because making 5 trades is like something like 2-3 minutes at max. But I don't want to start it yet. Maybe someone will send someone else. We're on the top. Nothing happens, and nothing happens, nothing happens, nothing happens, and this is one of the most boring streams that we got out there. Unfortunately for me, and unfortunately for you. The chat is empty. My pockets are empty, and the pocket option doesn't want to give away any interesting situations to discuss. But we will be boosting the donations. And I'm sitting down as well because I'm quite a bit tired. I've been partying today. I've had the great time. Ultimately, a great time. But turns out that I've lost almost all my energy just partying today. But yeah, but it was a Sunday party. Not as hard. I didn't have party as hard as I would in a Friday. But okay. We've got 15K for me. Now we're gonna start boosting the donations. The playtime is over. And it is the time for donations, and the Rhodes would be the first guy on the list. Let me withdraw the money for myself at funds. Okay, why does it show? Okay, now it's safe. Now it works. So I've got to keep 350 for you. All right. How do I do that? Okay. It is 350 now. 90k in the safe, and that is not enough. That is freaking not enough. Okay, Rhodes, here it goes. You're gonna be the first one, and since that is your whole donation, I'm gonna be explaining that further, because that might actually be useful to you, my guys. I'm gonna find a beautiful entrance point out there. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna be finding a good entrance point out there. It seems that the trend wanna grow. Yep, again. I can totally follow. I do not sell the private coachings. I do not sell any Telegram groups or videos. You can just watch the streams, and that is it. You can ask questions in the chat. Let's go, Rodis. Let's go. Let's get it done. A shorty out there from a big point. It goes through. Okay, so you want $4,000. 4,000. Okay, 4,100. Gotta make a lot of cash for you, Rodis. 659.43. That might be a call. There's gonna be a negative bounce at that. Here is. Okay, it's negated. It isn't there anymore. So yeah, I'll make a call. I've made a call in the right spot. It's gonna continue growing, I guess. Plus 1 grand. Let me see about it. I can't really tell if I should trade it right there. Perhaps we can just follow the trend, and that would be it. That is a hard choice for sure. Will that be amount of information? So it bounced. Is that gonna be a plateau? If it's gonna be a plateau, well, I cannot. And sure, I'll have to make a call. What the fuck is going on? The buyout option doesn't want you to win orders, but I'm gonna do my best to save you money. Okay, so here goes the shot from my eyes point. There should be a fallout right after that. The fallout is secured, just as I predicted. Plus 2 grand. Let me change the amount. Yep, that is a nice one. That is a nice one for sure. To grannies, to grannies, to grannies. Please give me some pennies. Gotta keep me out of it. Gotta keep me out of it. I don't wanna lose. That is a plateau. I don't wanna do anything. I don't wanna do anything about it. But still, I'll try to make a call out there. Guess fuck it. I'm tired of waiting. I shouldn't have been doing anything now. Because a plateau is a plateau. I guess I got lucky about there. And now I've got to trick it out one more time. That will be the last trade. Let me see about it. So that is a plateau yet again. Gonna find the lowest points. Probably I'm gonna make a call out there. But if I get the confirmation of a downtrend, I would just follow the trend and that would be it. Let me see about it. I cannot decide whatever should I do here. I can't really think about it. I don't even have any thoughts going on in my brain. Let me analyze it further. And I'm tired of my getting in the way. Yep, it fell down. Just that protected. Found ice points. And here it is. Here it is. Here is the big win. The big freaking 8,000. You asked for 4,500. And here it goes. Granted to you by the god of trading. Let me find your TSC 20. Where is it? What is it? Okay, it's there. I see it. TSC. Oh, that is the BTC. Okay. Yep. I'll save something for myself because you asked only for 4,500. So here goes the free cash. Filling up my save. So, okay, the next one is Divine Asa. 5 items, $350. The same stuff. Yeah, but I did it, Miguel. I freaking did it. I'm a pro player, and I do it right. Just right. What's gonna happen out there? Let me wait and see what happens. I need a bounce, maybe. Okay, it's gonna grow for some time. Now it's gonna be a bounce after that. Okay, I can use that. I think I can use that. That one can be used to my advantage. That's gonna be yet again a bounce. The first attempt is covered, so you shouldn't worry about that divine ace. Is it your turn? No, the divine ace is the second one. You have the last one, Lenny. Oh, there you go through. It didn't go through, but the first attempt is covered, so it is okay. I'm gonna try again. Okay, I've removed the rotors from the list. Yeah, it's okay. But we're gonna trade for you as well. You've just got to wait some time until I do it for the divinator. 350 on the call out there. Goes through. We've got 658. What should I do in that current situation? What should I be doing? I gotta think more. I gotta think faster. I'm gonna turn off the music for myself. You can listen to it further. Will it go through? Yeah, but it will. It's will, and I'm not even sure about that. Because I've entered the downtrend, and the downtrend doesn't lie. And besides that, there's gonna be a bounce in 3, 2, 1. Just gotta find it. Just gotta find an answer point. That is gonna be an easy one. That is the packet option. The packet option website. And we're boosting the subscribers donations right now. That is the call out there. I didn't have the best entrance point, but it's still something. Here it is. Okay. Well, it didn't go as planned. You've got just demolished by the fluctuations, Divine Asa. I guess that is it for you. These were the risks I talked about. So we're gonna be moving to the next donation. So the next one is Edo and Scott. It's gonna be 100 amounts. Yep, because there are risks. There are risks to it. And Vanessa has just got demolished by the fluctuations of the market. It happens rarely, but it happens. And I provided the care only for the first attempt. So it is what it is. Got have a better luck next time, champ. It's a shame. And it's a shame for sure. Cannot win all the money in the world, huh? Yep. That is the number of dams. You can either ask for a certain sum, for a certain amount, or for the number of dams. 2 or 3 are the safest options out there. Okay, plus 940, and a lens cut. You have the next one, you've asked for 5, and you are gonna get your 5. And you're gonna get a ton for left. Let me find the point. The lowest one. Basically, that is a giga downtrend. There might be a reversal incoming really soon. Not yet, just not yet. But if it continues this way, why shouldn't we just follow the trend? There's a bounce. Yeah, that's on me. And now try again. But as I said before, this type of thing contains the risks. And you're risking your own money. But if I'm a jerk and a loser and I cannot even make the victory on the first trade, I'll cover it myself. So that is why the first attempt is covered. Because it's impossible to lose the ladder on the first attempt. And if I could lose it on the first attempt, well, that means that I'm a loser and I must pay it out myself. Okay, 3 more. We're having it. We're almost having it. Let me increase the sum. Okay, here goes the max. It's gonna start falling. But there are gonna be the bounces. I'm afraid to make a shot out there. I'm gonna have a more clear situation. Okay, that seems to be it. Yep, I've risked it out there, but it is worth the risk. It goes through 3322, 34. A beautiful number. 3,322. 2 more attempts. If you asked only for 3 attempts, you could have left with 3,000, but we are gonna get that to the bigger numbers. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Let me see about it. So it's gonna blow into the moon. Blow to the moon really soon. Hmm. I guess. We should just wait for some time. That is a plateau. I'm gonna find the lowest or highest point, and depending on that, I'll make a move. I cannot risk it out there. Doesn't seem to be. It doesn't seem that the plateau is gonna break this level. Yep, it's not gonna break the level. I'm gonna let him make it. And the last one. Okay, the last one. Well, you're getting a freaking big sum. Yeah, Rodis. They all need the luck. But Veden's card seems to catch the luck by its tail. And she's gonna have a good time. No problems, Rodis. You're always welcome. Thanks, King. Thanks, King. Gotta find something to it. And I'm gonna dim the lights. It seems to be a perfect downtrend out there. Just a perfect one. A flawless. We've got the confirmation about how much Benson with the statistical oscillators I like. And here we have it. Here we have it, my boys. 11 grand. Freaking hell. You're gonna take that away from me. Okay. I guess that is fine. Alright. I'm gonna give it away. Fine. Okay. I don't really want to, but I must. There's your wallet. So here goes the amount. 11,142. And there's your wallet. Okay, that's it. Thank you for the message. All right, here it goes. Test it when right, right. The roller request has been sent, and I hope that we're gonna deliver you a pile of cash soon. But as for now, we're gonna boost the Austin Awards donation. Thank you, Tamimi. We're gonna boost the Austin Woods Nation. He's got 350 for 4 tries. Okay, no problem. I've got your 350, and I'm gonna now, and I'm gonna tell you if you win. So send me a screenshot in my private messages on my Telegram, so I can tell you if you won or not. And I'll send you the clip. Thanks for the trust, my king. Thanks for the trust, Lenny. So the next one is Austin Ward. Did the Adelaide's card receive her money? I don't see a message about that. Okay. So she just disappeared. I guess that's fine. She's planning on a trip. I'm gonna clean up the list. Here it is. The Austin Ward and the Lenny. The Lenny left. Hi, Ja. How is it going? Are you feeling alright? We're boosting the donations today. We've given away almost $50,000. The Airlines cards and got 12,000, and thank you, Miguel. But I'm gonna find the entrance point for 104. Never heard about him. Is he a trader as well? And if that's his PNL, well, he's mad skilled. He's mad skilled for sure. My NPNL is worth 1,000 times. I'm profitable, but I don't have that stats. 6 a.m. You seem to be an early bird. Or you didn't sleep at all. Austin Ward, Austin Ward, Austin Ward. Let me see about it. Oh, I can't find her at this point. $350, 48. Day of 104. Tried. Oh, okay. Oh, you mean the donation? Oh, that was not, these were not the stats. Did you send me a donation? I didn't see any announcement. Can you send me the screenshot in my private messages in the Telegram? 4 times 100. I cannot see it. It didn't go through. Maybe I've missed it. Mhm. Mhm. Here goes the second one. Only two left. That one should go through, because that is a downtrend for sure. It's gonna bounce from the floor. It's gonna be an uptrend now in 3, 2, 1. Okay, two more attempts, and we're gonna boost the Lenny's donation. We're gonna be doing that. Let me show you some, and I would like to find Venice point as well. Here it goes. That is a downtrend, but I expect a reversal to come into the play really soon, because we've got the green candles out there appearing everywhere. Maybe in 3, 2, 1, it's gonna be there. Let me see about it. Okay. Okay. The bounce didn't happen. I'm glad I didn't make a move, because it would cost me a whole donation. Okay, I'll respond you after the stream. Sorry, I'm quite a busy right now. I'm boosting the donations and I must go into the full focus, so I'm not losing the trades. And right after that, I'm gonna send it all back. Okay, to Grandin one last time. I cannot see your donation. Can you send me the screenshot? It just doesn't appear yet. And the last one. The last attempt, one more to go. And you'll leave with something around $4,000. Yeah, for real. Do you guys want to talk about something in the meanwhile? Because, yeah, it seems to go through. I've got it by the tail. And no, it is there. Just a piece of cake. Yep, here it goes. Here it goes. I've got to find your what? Where was it? Okay, I see it. And we'll make a withdrawal for you. Here goes the withdrawal. Austin Ward, you deserved that one. So, you asked me about the whole sum, 4 tries, 4,378. I'll keep 16 cents to myself, alright? You against that. You got to send me. Okay, you sent me the TSC. Here it goes. Alrighty. I copied the wrong one. Here it is. I just can't copy it for some reason. Okay, it's there. It is there, and it is nice. TSC 20, just as you told me to. Here goes the withdrawal. A request has been sent. And as for now, I'm gonna boost Valeni's donation. I hope he's fine, and he'll see the clip after the stream. He's asked for 5 attempts, and I think we're gonna spend the last minutes of the stream on these 5 attempts. Cause I'm gonna find the best spot. What do I mean? What do you mean? Yeah, I've kept 16 cents for myself. I am a thief. Could have given it away, but I've decided to keep it for myself. Mhm. Mhm. Lenny must have been gone, but he has asked me to send him the clip. Maybe he's somewhere here. 5 times. Okay, it is all good. Thank you, Ja. Thank you, Rodis. Just give him a like, and that will be it. Oh, you're still there. What? You said you were gone, and now you're still there. Okay. So maybe we decided to stay up until we started to boost your donation. It is there. The first attempt. It goes through. We found the high point. So that is clear as day. You won those 16 cents. Oh, okay. The minimum withdrawal is $10. So, nothing happened today. Okay, that would be the highest point. It fell down. Oh my god, I've missed it. But there's gonna be a bounce in 3, 2, 1 really soon. I can see the bounce. Can I see the bounce? But when my downtrend. Alright, Lenny, I've got you. Why do I always deposit and withdraw after a certain win? Because I'm boosting the donations. So Lenny has sent me $350 and he's asked me to win 5 times in a row and after that send it back. And that is what I'm doing out there. I've sent the money for free. I will send the money for. Okay, I will send the money to the Lenny as well if I win, and I'll be sending the money to the 4 people today, because one of the guys has lost his deposit, and I couldn't send him anything. So I've got 80% of a win rate, which is pretty safe. 3 more attempts. Lenny, you're gonna be rich today. Let me find the spot. Just let me find the spot. I need to find the lowest point, and we're gonna make a call from here. So it turned out to be a positive bounce. I decided in a split second that I'm gonna make it short. It is there. Yeah, good luck to you, Rodis. Good luck to you the next time. Are you gonna do something cool with your money? Because that sounds like you're just gonna dump them into a casino. All these messages, something like good luck to me. Maybe you're gonna try your luck yet again. I can't really tell. I cannot really tell if that's gonna be it. But as for now, we've got some more attempts left. Okay. Lenny, my guy Lenny. That is a downtrend, that is a big one. Yeah, let's be doing that for sure. That is why I'm gonna stay silent for some time, because I've gotta think for it. I really gotta think for it. And besides that, that is a plateau within the downtrend. The breakthrough kind of appeared. Bounces up and down. Please, I've gotta have it through. The line has gotta have it through. Okay, we've got it. We've got it. We've got it. We've got it. Mm-hmm. Got to change some, and that will be the last attempt. Hi, how's it going? I cannot read your nickname because I don't know the Arab language, but I guess hi, hello out there. I'm gonna find a good entrance point out there. I'm gonna listen to the stochastic oscillator. Yep, well, Lenny is gonna get his vacation. Hey, Johnny. How is it going, my champ? We are doing some trades out there. And the Lenny seems to be getting his vacation today. Because that will be the last attempt of a boost. And he'll get something around $7,000. Oh, so his name is Amar. All right. So if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to my Telegram channel so you're not missing out on the giveaways. I'm gonna host a giveaway in no time in the future. Give me the like on the stream so the YouTube networks will promote my streams further. And if you wanna risk your money, you can send me a deposit and we'll try to boost it. Just clarify the amount of attempts and send me your TRC20 wallet. Not actually any crypto wallet will do. And as for now, we're in a downtrend. I cannot see a bounce, but I don't really wanna just follow the trend. Doesn't seem to be like it. Yeah, I am the man, Lenny. And I'm gonna do the big bull trade out there. Fingers crossed. Okay, it's there. It's there, Lenny. You are going on a trip. You are going on a trip for sure. $1,000. We've got $1,000, and that will be the last trade for today, because it's already past 2 hours. And we're gonna make a withdrawal for Valeni, and that is a big victory for you for sure. Get to find, gotta find your wallet. Yeah, but it is Cristiano Aga. Here it is. You can try it out yourself. Just send the deposit. The first link in the description. I'm not doing anything from that. I just do it for the sake of content, and the Lenny gets his mine. The Lenny gets his money. He's a rich guy from now on. Bitcoin. Okay. And the withdrawal request has been sent. Okay, it is there. So I'm gonna be winding it up. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for coming today. I'll be ending the stream. Thank you to everyone. I'll be ending the stream. That was a great session. I wasn't as active as I usually am because I'm quite a bit of tired. But that was a power session for sure. We got 80% of the P&L. 4 guys out of 5 got their money back, and one of them unfortunately lost it. So, thank you for coming. Thank you for the likes. We've got a ton of those. We've got new subscribers to the Telegram channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel because we'll be making a giveaway out there. We'll be hosting a giveaway for some cash. And that is it for today. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. The same time, the same place, the same stream, the same trader. Goodbye, chat.